Hi everyone and welcome to Couture TV with Stephanie. This is episode 22 and we are celebrating Christmas in July. Now, July is the time when most crafters get ready for Christmas and start making Christmas cards. Today, I'm going to share with you my Christmas card designs, and if you love what I make, you can click the link below and download this PDF format that you can print and follow along to make the project. So let's get started. Our most popular Christmas colored cardstock here at Couture Creation is blood red, of course our snow white, and our cypress green. Stunning Christmas colors. Now with these I made some Christmas cards, and that's what I'm going to show you how to make today. So all you need to do is download the printable PDF in the link below and you will get the sheet on how to make the project. And on the last page there's a template you need to cut out, and with this template we're able to make this card. So let me show you how to make it. First of all, we need our glitter cardstock in forest green, and we need to cut this to size to an A5 sheet. I'm going to use my guillotine to do that. I'm just going to measure it with a piece of A5, and I'm going to pop that through. So half of this is A5. I'm going to move that aside. Hold that down and cut through. Now we've got two A5s. Move that aside. Now with my scoring board, I'm going to measure my A5 size card in half. And I'm just going to fold it. Just like that. Don't need the scoring board right now. So now I need my cutting mat and I need my template. So what I'm going to do now is put the template on the inside. I'm going to try and make it nice and even. Now I just need to trace around this. You can go over it with a ruler as well. As straight as you can. Got it. Move that aside. Now we want to cut that part out. You can use a ruler or you can go freehand. Depends on how confident you are. I'm just going to freehand this. I'm going to turn it. One more turn. Just like that. And pop that out. Okay, so we have our triangle there. Now what we need to do is, so we need to cut the cypress cardstock in strips. So this is my cypress cardstock. I'm going to get one page out. Now you only need 3 strips to make one card. Back with the guillotine. I'm just going to cut 3 strips, roughly 1 inch each. Nice. Okay, got my 3 strips here. I need my scoring board back here. Let me bring in the scoring board. Now with these, I want the textured side down. And I just want to score a line enough to fold it in. Like that. I'm going to do the same with the others. Okay, move my scoring board aside. Just fold it over like that. And on this side as well. So you only need 3 strips to make 1 card. Now, I'm just going to move this out of the way, bring back my card and my template. So what I'm going to do is just put my template on my workbench. I'm going to place my card like this. I'm just going to tape it down so my card doesn't move around. I like using this tape because it doesn't damage my card when I do remove it. Okay, now we are going to follow the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going like that. So we need to cover where number 1 is with the green. So I need to cut this piece of green cypress big enough to cover number 1. Now we want the folded part going into the iris, and we're just gonna measure it up and place it like that, and I'm gonna tape it down. Now with the sticky tape, make sure it doesn't go on the inside because you will see it when you make the card. So we don't want to see the sticky tape. We don't want it to be visible. Now number 2, I need a piece about that big. Let me see how big you are. Yep, it's sticking out a little bit there, so I'm going to snip it. So long as I cover the number, I'm okay. And another piece of tape. And don't worry if it looks messy because you're not going to see it. We're actually going to cover it again. Okay, number 3. Just like that. Number 4. Number 5. I'm just going to keep going around the card. Very simple. Number 6. I like to get my cards made early in July. That way in December, all I have to do is write them and post them. I don't want to spend December making Christmas cards. So now's the time to make them. So let's get inspired and start making Christmas cards. Number 8. Like, look how quick this is to make 1 card. It doesn't take long at all. Number 9. Oops. Let me stick another piece there. Number 9. And just remember, careful where you stick the tape. You don't want it showing on the inside because you will see it. Number 10. $11 and $12. How quick is that? Now where it says iris, we're not going to put cardstock because we want to make it a little bit fancy. So do you remember that piece I cut out from the middle? I'm going to use that piece. Where are you? That piece there. I'm just going to cut off the point there. Oops. And turn it over so it's sparkly on the center. I'm just taping it all down. Now, we want to cover that part because it's not good looking. So we're going to cover it with a piece of cardstock. So I'm just going to take off the tape here. There's my template which I can reuse for other cards. Now I'm just going to cover this part with some double-sided tape, but I'm going to use the foam. I don't want the flat one because I need to raise it a little bit because it's a little bit high here. So I'm going to use the foam double-sided tape. It just looks a lot better. I'm going to just put some tape going around it. Oops. And down the sides. One down here, one across here, and pull these off. Almost got you. One more. Okay. I'm going to turn it around and just measure it so it's nice and straight and cover that part. Now, ready for the reveal. Let's take a look. How pretty is that? It is just plain and elegant, and I love this design. Now, as I said, you can do it in all sorts of colors, but these are our 3 most popular Christmas colored cardstocks. But you can go with a gold, a silver, any color you like. And don't forget to click the link below to download your PDF with your template. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you back here next week with another craft. Bye!